Hello guys, in this video we will know about Docker. When you watch this video you will know the concept of a Docker. So let us start. What is a Docker? When any software is designed by a developer, his only goal is to solve a particular problem. To understand the concept of a Docker, we need to understand the problem that Docker is able to resolve it. When developer develops any software, there might be certain issues which he faces. It works fine in his machine, the developer's machine, but when he moved his project to other computers or servers or operation teams, in that case the project usually fails to run. For example, when you are designing any website using PHP, it works fine on your computer, but when you move that website to web server, there are possibilities you will face some issues like path is not set or your images are not loaded properly. I think this is a good example that when everything is working fine on the developer's machine but you moved it to another computer, it doesn't work like that way. So it works only your machine, but in a developer's perspective, the project designed by the developer should not be limited to his machine only. It should work properly on production servers. Then he will get more and more clients. There might be a discussion between the developer and the client. The developer might have forgot to install dependencies while installing it onto the servers. Then this discussion will become pretty nasty. So to resolve this problem, we need to have what? Docker. Docker is designed to resolve all these problems. Docker is almost compatible to any programming language or project you are working on. Docker allows you to put all these things in airtight container. These containers wrap up your entire code, and these containers are portable. You can move these containers to anywhere and it works fine as it was working on your machine. The portability is the main function of the Docker, because you can move your image from one computer to another computer and without any difficulty you can run your apps or programs or projects, whatever it is. The containers are containing everything like code, dependencies, configurations, networking configurations, and sometimes it also contains your operating system files to run your projects absolutely fine on any other machine. Docker we can divide into three main things. First thing is client-side application program. You can install the Docker, and by using this we can do all things, which includes designing a container which backs up all the things like your codes and configuration, and you can move it to anywhere, any computer. Dockers can also act as a service and you can deploy it on any server, and you can take your container and deploy it any computer anywhere. Dockers also act like a social networking platform where you can share anything. You can share your Docker image also. Docker is also a company that manages all this stuff. Docker also makes it easy when you need to install same type of softwares again and again, like complex softwares which needs lots of dependencies to install again and again. So to avoid these errors while installing these dependencies and all that, Docker is a very beneficial thing. It can help you to simply install this complex software using containers one time and make it a container of it, and then we can pull that image again and again to other computers without need of installation of dependencies again and again. So I hope you understand the concept of a Docker. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.